No. 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 They're awful. Why would you think of them? No. Yeah. Yeah. They are definitely the ones. Well, I'm just driving up the A5 back home after picking up a set of wheels. Met a nice bloke called Bob, Corrado, and a Scirocco. Don't confuse the two. He's got both. Well, I'm on the returning leg of a 340 mile round trip. Got to get a set of wheels. And why have I gone this far for a set of wheels? Well, with the project, I need it to look OEM. It needs to be 5 studs, and it needs to have the VR offset to clear the brakes. So I've been looking around for wheels, and ahhing, and I've finally decided the wheel that I want. And I've bothered to travel this far down. I'm on the returning journey. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. It's not a bad looking wheel really, just needs tidying up a bit. So, not able to do a refurb on them just yet. At the moment, just quite happy with them to go on the car. Just sit there. So the first thing I need to do is wash them. So instead of going straight on with wheel acid, I'm going to degrease them first, and that's going to take quite a lot of the stuff off and hopefully soften it up. So I'm just using a heavy duty degreaser that happens to be in a flash bottle. It's not flash. So I'm just going to spray it in. Now I've left them for about 20 minutes, I'm going to run over with the pressure washer. The only difference is I'm using a patio cleaner, which is a sharper, intenser jet of water. It's going to remove any of this crusty, loose stuff. If I get too close, I advise you don't use the same one, because it is very aggressive. Perfect for patios. I'm going to use it on this one anyway. So that certainly brought them up a bit better, only marginally, but we know a lot of the surface stuff's come off now, makes it a lot better. So I'm going to do something that you shouldn't normally do. So why am I doing it? Because I know these wheels are going to get refurbed at some point, so I might as well be a little more aggressive and a nice cheap B&M style oven cleaner, just a ramp. Fume free apparently. It was a couple of quid, so we might as well do it, and it'll be a lot better. Now I've left that to soak for a bit. I've took the all important centre caps out. Just don't want any corrosion or any damage happening to that. So this is all quite dry. So I'm going to reactivate it with the degreaser and just work it in both with the paintbrush I was using. I've got a very small nylon brush, particularly in these little bits. Just working it into all the little edges, getting it really soft, because it's a type of acid, I think. Yeah. Now I've got that all worked in, all sort of activated and soapy. Got some hot soapy water with just a soft bristle wheel brush, whatever it is. Now the degreaser I've been using in this kitchen spray bottle The only reason I've used this kitchen spray bottle is because it foams it up as it spins it out, and I've used it probably about quarter degreaser and the rest water. And the degreaser I've used is just a generic built-in, no nonsense, as it says, cleans everything. It is quite a strong degreaser. I've used it on car engines and stuff. This is from Screwfix, probably a couple of quid. Anyway, results we get. I'm scared now. As we can see, even though it's getting dark and late, it's pretty much cleaned up everything. This was one of the worst wheels for actual baked on stuff, and the outside of there doesn't look too bad. So I'm going to run off, finish off all the rest of them, put them aside, and I'm probably going to rework just those little segments there. Those are the bits that never get hit by the jet wash, so that could be 15 plus wood. Actually, what year are they? These are 92, 93 stamped. So that potentially 17 years worth of brake grime on there that's coming off. So I don't mind giving that a second pass. I'll do that in the morning. I'm going to finish off the rest of these. Look a lot better, don't they? A lot cleaner, a lot shinier. The insides really come up quite well. The two I think that were on the front have certainly need a little bit more. I'm going to give them another going over just on the inside bit. I've got a feeling they were on the front because they're just caked on a little bit more, but that's fine, that's alright. You can see they still need a refurb or at least a paint, but at least they don't need a full media sandblast down, because stuff like that is going to ruin the original markings, which is all quite important for originality. It could be just a slight repair, cosmetic refurb rather than the full lot. So I'm quite happy with that. So all I've used for that is really cheap oven cleaner that we got from B&M Bargains for £1.50, £2. Funny enough, bit of elbow grease. That is just the heavy duty degreaser and a bit of water. So from where they looked before to now, they're a lot better. I hope that helps you tidy up a good set of wheels. Let's have a look what they're like on the car. A nice looking wheel for the Corrado. Yeah, that one's quite pitted there, but I'm quite happy with that. So thanks very much. Remember to share, like and subscribe, and dig out your old wheels, give them a clean, put them back in the shed. Ta-da!